Today we are showing you how to make air fryer fried chicken.
Oh, we're having a whole lot of fun. It needs to be turned just a bit.
I feel like we're going like this.
I know. We're making lean chicken.
Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are sharing with you our favorite way to make fried chicken in our air fryer. Oh my goodness. Yes, we made fried chicken like this on the road constantly in our RV because it kept us from having a big mess on the stove. We could even take the air fryer outside and cook with it, and it kept all the grease and all that kind of stuff, and it was just wonderful. So we love making air fryer fried chicken with this, and since we are eating low carb, we are using our very favorite homemade low carb breading mix, which you will find a link to that down below as well, and as also in the blog post about air fryer fried chicken.
If you notice how much we have, this is double the batch of what you will find on the blog, and there's a very good reason for that. Because I was reading the recipe wrong when I was doing the directions to put it together, and I doubled up the onion and the garlic powder, and so I almost threw it out, and then I almost got in trouble for almost throwing it out.
Because
she says, no, just double the batch.
Yeah, because the base of this is Carb Quick, which isn't cheap, and I'm like, you're not throwing that out, we will salvage it. So we now have a handy dandy canister.
We made some for later.
Of our breading mix, which we like to have on hand anyways.
Yes.
Because it's summer right now, and one of the things we love having during the summer is fried zucchini. And so we have been occasionally having that treat in our house and using this breading mix that we use for our fried chicken to make fried zucchini, and it has been so yummy.
So sometime you should make fried zucchini with fried chicken. It would work.
Sure.
I'd come over. Call me.
So we're not sad at all about this mistake. No. It was a happy little mistake.
It's a happy little mistake. We're on a Bob Ross kick right now. Our date nights have been for the past few weeks sitting down watching some YouTube videos of Bob Ross painting happy little trees.
Yes.
And so everything we do is a happy little accident. Well, sometimes they're happy little accidents. Anyway, what are you going to do now?
To get to the actual recipe. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a half batch of what you see on the blog. And we have 6 chicken legs here.
Or what I call lunch.
We have 6 chicken legs here, and we are going to take a half a cup of our favorite breading mix. If you're not low carb, you can do this same thing and just use your own, like, flour, salt, and pepper, or you can use flour instead of the Carb Quick and use our recipe, or you could use Fry Magic.
And I hail.
That's shake and bake, baby.
Oh.
But you could use that too.
See? Happy little accident.
Pick whichever one you want. And to that, we're going to make an egg wash.
This is an egg.
We're going to use 1 egg because we're doing half of the recipe here right now.
And just beat it. Beat it, fry up your chicken and eat it.
Okay, so in our air fryer, we're just going to go ahead and pour a tablespoon of fat. And so we have a tablespoon of bacon fat. You could use lard. That's just to kind of give it some of that fried chicken flavor. And so what I'm going to do is I've got a container here that we're going to shake our chicken in. If you will give each leg a little bath. And then we'll put like 2 or 3 in at a time. And 6 in our extra large air fryer, 6 legs will fit in at a time. But you want them to be a single layer and have plenty of room, so you don't want things layered up, or it won't.
You want that air to get around them.
Yeah. Let's do 3 at a time.
We'll do 3 at a time.
Oh, I am bad at the math.
Oh, you are?
Because we have 5 legs, not 6.
Well, less for you.
So all we do is we put the breading in, and then we give it a little shake.
Shake, shake, shake.
And I just realized before we started taping that there is a big crack in this, so I'm hoping not to really mess it up.
Yeah, because that would be bad.
Yeah. Okay, so then you just place them in your basket.
Leave some room, let them breathe. Otherwise your chicken will be sticking together.
There you go. Another reason I like doing it in the air fryer is I've tried just about all kinds of, well, we've made it multiple times, and every time it has just come out perfect and I don't have to pay so close attention to it the same way I do if it's on the stove. So here we go.
That was just me washing my hands.
Alright, and I'm going to let you put this in the air fryer. And what we're going to do is we are going to put it on the chicken setting, or if you don't have the chicken setting, set it for 360 degrees. Uh-oh. No,
You know, it's been a while since I've used manual. No, not manual. There we go. And
keep going.
There's a shrimp. There's a cake.
There.
There's a chicken.
Okay, and now
360 degrees.
time. Subtract your time. Oops, nope.
Oops. How much time?
15 minutes. We're going to do...
I make it look so easy.
And you need to go back up.
360. Put it on 360 degrees.
So
for 15 minutes. It's that easy.
We're going to do 15 minutes on each side. We're going to take a break. I'm going to wash my hands, and since I touched the outside of that, we're also going to wash the outside of that. So
I'm going to wash me too, because then I touched it, and we're a hot mess.
We'll be back.
In 3, 2, 1. And we are back. 15 minutes have elapsed.
Yes.
And now it's time to bring out the chicken.
Carefully.
Yeah. Oh, see that little red button there?
Don't push that.
If you saw the unboxing of this, you'll understand why you don't push that red button.
Yes.
It's loud and scary.
If you don't have a heat-safe countertop, do not set this directly on your countertop because it is extremely hot. Now all we're going to do is we're going to flip them over. No. You're going to take that and you're going to flip them over.
Gently keep the skin on there.
Yeah.
Keep that crust on there. Oh. You sure we can't just eat them like this? Because they're really
I'm
good.
sure, because they'll come back to get you.
Okay.
Because they're not done.
Oh. Well, we want them to be done.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they look at that brown on there already. I don't know if you can see that or not. I can see it. You're going to have to trust me. Oop, that one kind of flopped over back where it was. And then I'm really doing my darndest not to burn myself right now.
Well, that's good.
I hope I don't let you down.
Don't be wallowing them half to death, because we want them to still have the breading on them. Okay. So, now,
go ahead.
Are you not going to do it?
Don't trust me.
Okay, so we are going to put it on 360 and for 15 minutes. There we go.
I'm going to wash off my tongs, and when we come back, we're going to eat some chicken.
Yes.
In 3, 2, 1. And we are back, and the chicken will be done at the sound of the tong. That's right, they're done. So bring it out. Do not hit the red button. Oh my gosh, I thought they looked good before. Y'all, check out the chicken. It's bubbled up. That skin's... Oh, look at that. 2 for 1 sale.
It's going to be so hot.
Oh my goodness, it is. I'm okay with that. Oh, and they're huge legs.
It smells so good.
Let's get that back out of there.
Yeah.
By the way, if y'all didn't see that video and you want to know what the red button does, it releases this.
Yes.
And if you do it in the air and there's grease in the bottom, it gets everywhere. And if it's hot grease, you cry. I know this from personal experience.
If you're making more than 6 legs at a time or 5, like we did, what we like to do is clean out that bottom pan in between the batches and then add some fresh bacon grease or lard to the bottom.
I'm going to grab a fork and a steak knife. Now, we are not refined individuals. We do not eat our chicken with a fork and a steak knife. That's a paring knife.
I'm afraid you're going to cut me.
Hey look, a steak knife. But that is real hot chicken.
You can be all refined all you want. I'm going to grab the little one.
Okay, well I'm going to grab the one that's got the great big bubbly on it. Oh, wow. That's why I'm going to be refined.
But this is a great way, if you are a low-carb dieter, this is a yummy way to be able to have fried chicken that tastes very much like the original.
Or if you don't want to use a lot of oil and you're trying to cut the fat out, that's a good way to do it too.
I've been looking forward to this all day. Yum, yum, yum.
Hang out with me? We wish.
And the chicken. The chicken and the turkey. Oh, I'm sorry. The ham.
Oh my gosh, that is so, so good.
Yes.
Y'all, get yourself an air fryer. We got a little Amazon link down below if you want to get one from there. Or wherever you get one, because that's really good. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. That is deserving of a thumbs up. I think so. If you think so, give us a thumbs up down below on this video.
We also like to make this before we're gonna go on the road.
This is road trip food right here.
Yeah, and put it in the cooler, and then we enjoy this as cold chicken too. It is, I don't know if you guys do you guys eat cold chicken? Like, is that a thing? That's been a thing since my childhood. Did you guys eat cold chicken when you were young?
I thought it was any left over.
Yeah. But cold chicken in the cooler makes easy, like road food that you don't have to stop. You're getting chicken everywhere. Octavius is like on the hunt.
Please
down
drop some.
Here. We haven't seen him for a while.
Look at him.
Yeah, he can't have the food, but
he needs a haircut.
yes, he does. He's going tomorrow.
Well, on behalf of me and Cris and Aki, we want to thank y'all for watching another edition of Cooking Chris's Dishes. Like I said, give us a like down below on this video. And if you have not become a member of the Crock Posse, come on with it. All you got to do is click that little button down below that says subscribe. And you will automatically be a welcome member of the Crock Posse. And Aki's a Crock Posse member. He's not subscribed. He doesn't have his own channel, but maybe he should someday.
Addie's sitting in there saying you totally left me off the list.
She's in there playing video games. Hey, Addie, are you a member of the Crock Posse? Yeah. So be a part of Addie's club known as the Crock Posse. Also click the ding-a-ling and that'll let you know as soon as we put up a new video. And whatever you do, laugh often.
Eat good food.
And speak life. Love you guys.
Bye. Hey guys, today we are making air fryer chicken.
Okay, I did it again. 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, today we are showing you how to make air fryer fried chicken.
Do that, just that again. 3, 2, 1. There you go.
You can't work under these conditions, right?
Three, 2, 1.
Welcome. I thought I was doing this. You are being ornery. Welcome.
Welcome back. Okay. Uh-oh. Crap.
What happened? What did you do?
I shut it off on accident.
No, you didn't, honey. It just got started, it looked like. Oh my gosh. Really? This is easy. Okay. Is it cleaned off now? Because my hands are washed. Okay. Just don't touch.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon